Hello guys, this is Jasmine, owner of PCSG and the Study Goals eSchool, and today I'll be showing you exactly how to use it. So let's get into it. So I click join, just enjoy the music while you wait, and I'm in. First, the welcome message pops up explaining that to get in the verification process, please click here. So I click here and it takes me immediately to the welcome message. To gain full access to the eSchool, because it's empty right now, you have to verify, pass registration, and then you will have the full eSchool. So let's do exactly as they say. You go to the red dot where the bot has talked to you, mentioned you, and it pops up here. Hey, at me, I've sent you a message in your DMs. Check it out so you can get verified, okay? So above where my servers are, my DMs are above that line. So I go to your moderator, which is PCSG Mod, and there he is. He asked me a few questions. So after I watch the tutorial video, which is this one I'm doing now, I give my name, so James. Now it asks me what country I'm from. To react, I simply click the flag that is my country. I am from Barbados, so I'm going to click Barbados. Now it asks me what size group do I prefer to study in. I prefer studying in trios, so I match the 3 o'clock to the emoji down there, and then I click confirm. Good. Now it asks me what my CXC proficiency is, so I do both. So I click here to match the emoji, and then I click the tick to confirm. Great. Now it says all done. Come to the server again to complete the final steps. So I go back to the server, and now it says press here, CSEC subject select and case subject select to select my subject, and then press verification to complete registration and gain full access to the eSchool. Please note, you will not unlock the full eSchool if you do not verify yourself. So, CSEC, okay, I do CSEC Spanish, I do CSEC Visual Arts. Now let's go to Cape. I do Cape Tourism, I do Cape Geography. I've selected all my subjects. Now I go to verification, and last step, I click this tick. Now please understand that I've done this already, so the tick will already be blue for me. All I have to do is unclick it, and then click it again. And there, I have the full eSchool. Just like that. In the next tutorial, we will be looking at exactly how to use Discord. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to help students succeed. Don't get mixed up now, baby.